right, family, today is the day. The tree finally has to come down. I have been dreading this day forever, but it has to happen. Christmas is my favorite holiday. I love everything Christmas. The decor, the food, the music, the vibe, the weather, the family, just everything about Christmas is my favorite. Does anyone else feel like after Christmas, the Christmas decor starts to feel like an outfit that is way out of style? Or is it just me? That is how I've been feeling, y'all. But anyway, we're going to be doing a full house undecorate, clean, and redecorate with me video. Are you ready? Let's get started. So we're halfway done with the tree. I have to go upstairs. My step ladder is not tall enough, so I have to go upstairs. Lucky for me, I can just walk upstairs and do the top part of the tree. But I'll tell you what, these were much easier to take off than to put on. It took hours, and it took my mom, Nadia, like it took us hours to put the ornaments on, but it's really easy to come off. As you can see, I already took some off last night, and I just decided to take the rest out today. But it is time, y'all. It's time for these decorations to go. It's time. So yeah, I'm just gonna go up and grab those ones up there. I wanted to take some time to say, if you're new to my channel, please join the family by hitting the subscribe button. This channel is a lot of fun, y'all. We do a lot on here. We do home decor, how to grow and maintain your natural hair, business topics, real estate topics. I recently got into the Airbnb business. I have my own line of natural hair growth oil, and I also do just a lot of relatable content. So if that sounds anything like something you would like, I highly encourage you to join the family. Many of you may know that I recently moved into this house. It's been less than a year. It is a pretty big house, and I have been taking my time to decorate the home. My goal this year is to fully decorate and furnish the entire house. We have all of the bedrooms to decorate. We have 2 other living rooms to decorate. We have the outside of the house, the inside of the house, and we have a lot more spaces to decorate. All right, this is the box that the Christmas tree came in. I'm gonna try to force it back in here. We'll see. We'll see if it fits. Stuck on my shoes. Okay. So there are 4 parts. I got 2 there, 1 here, 1 here. This part, okay, so I have to take this bottom part out. This was one of the hardest ones to put in. Woo! Woo! It came out, y'all. So now, I just have to unscrew this part. Bam! Put it in the box. I have to try to fit this in there. So this is heavy, y'all. It's very heavy. Let's see. There we go. Does it fit? Or maybe there's another part. Oh, okay. That was actually another part that needed to come out. So that's out. Put the first piece in. There we go. That fits better. all of this in one day. So we had to hide it from her, and I forgot. I think her grandma set it over there behind the Christmas tree because she wanted to devour the whole thing in one day. So we had to hide it. And we ended up hiding it and not finding it the whole time because we forgot it was over there. So yeah, that's that. This skirt, first of all, if you saw my Vlogmas video, I talked about this skirt. I was not happy with the skirt because it was very low quality. I ordered it online. It looked really nice and beautiful online. And then I got it. It wasn't cute. But the thing about the skirt is I put the skirt under the tree the wrong way. And everybody told me, they're like, you're supposed to put it around the tree, not under the tree. But I guess I was just excited to put the Christmas tree up, so I ended up putting it under the tree. But everybody told me that it belongs around the tree, not underneath. So thank you for that. I'll remember that for next year. All right, so one of the biggest things now is trying to get rid of the little things. So all the little Christmas decor. I have broken a lot of ornaments, so those will need to be swept up.
It's good to shake the mind, speeding up the pace, turning up the heat, where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case, stop dwelling on empty words, stop stalling in the doorway, and cancel the cruise control.
This was the tree topper, or the crown of the tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap it up. Whoa. And hope that it doesn't break. I'm gonna put it in here. And that's the only thing I'll put in here. There we go. Yep, that's the only thing I'll put in here. And I'm gonna put a label on it that says crown so I know what's in here and so I know to be gentle with this. Alright, so I'm taking all the bowls off as well. I'm gonna put them all together in the box. I love doing the home decor videos and the clean with me videos. So if you all are interested in these kind of videos, please stick around for those because I have a lot of plans for the house this year.
Inside lane.
Look who came to help y'all. Say hi, family. Turn around, say hi to the family.
No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore.
Give me the tape. The tape is right there. Yeah. Thank you, baby. Right, put it on. Can you hold the tape here? Hold it here.
Don't you wanna feel right? Through the setbacks, you can't win them all, but I'm proud
As I said, I have a deep clean video coming up, so please stick around for that. I also have the master bedroom transformation video coming up next, all right? I'm just gonna take these off. These are pillow coverings. I always like to get pillows that have coverings because I can take the inserts out, wash the pillowcase, wash the pillowcase, and then use it again. I am a big advocate for that.
Don't you wanna feel whole? Don't you
the candy, y'all. I have to hide it. I'm gonna put these candles in here, in this box, to protect it. We gotta lay them down. I'll also put the napkins in here so I can keep all of the Christmas, the dining room stuff together. This has a lot of glitter on it. It has a lot of shine, but I'm gonna wrap it up so it doesn't bleed everywhere. Christmas towels in here. I wonder if I should wrap them up. I'm gonna put it in a plastic bag just to keep it clean. Let's go get the stuff in my office. So my office is somewhere you guys really never got to see for Christmas. But as you can see, I did have some pillows, some pillow inserts. So yeah, I did an office video. I think that was the last video I did, but I never posted it. That was when I actually decided to take a break. I think it was the 24th. I had the video already filmed, but I was too tired to post it. So I decided not to. Whoa. There we go. I got these from Amazon, by the way. It was a packet. Whoa. You okay, Nadia? Okay. It was a pack of 4. Yeah, I'm gonna do a deep clean, a deep after Christmas clean after this. So stick around for that. We have this one as well. This is another one of my fall pillows. So I'll have to put this in the fall pile. We have this little guy, this little Christmas tree. I'm gonna wrap it up with these. Look at these tiny little ones. I'm gonna wrap them all together so I don't lose them. First of all, let's finally get rid of this at the front door. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna put it in this box as well. It fits nicely. And then I'm gonna get rid of this blanket at the entryway. I'm gonna come back, like I said, I'm gonna come back and do a full deep clean. So right now we're just getting rid of Christmas stuff. So the house is officially Christmas free as of today. Found the chocolate, y'all. I have to hide it. I have to put it away. All right, y'all. So I have to trash everything that is not of value, like these. family, thank you so much for coming along with me as I undecorate, clean, and decorated the whole house. As I said, I have a deep clean video coming up, so please stick around for that. I also have the master bedroom transformation video coming up next, all right? Don't forget to comment your favorite part. Don't forget to share the video and also give it a big thumbs up if you liked it as well. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.